Mobiistar, a new smartphone company from Vietnam that's on a mission to fit themselves into the Indian smartphone market. The Mobiistar XQ Dual has a common design like any other budget phone, except for the fact that it's metal and can be considered durable. The XQ Dual is pitted against the likes of Redmi Y1, Honor 7C and similarly priced smartphones. Exclusively available on Flipkart for Rs 7,999, the display has a 16:9 aspect ratio. The bezels aren't very pretty to look at, they are thick and occupy a lot of real estate at the top and bottom. The phone comes with a large 3000 mAh battery to support its 5.5-inch screen with an HD Plus display having a resolution of 1080 by 1920, which is good. The UI is customized and looks neat if compared to what we find on phones like Coolpad or even Honor for that matter. But it takes more than usual time for tasks like opening the gallery from the camera app, turning the Wi-Fi on or off, and launching the camera. It runs on Snapdragon 430, a chipset found on Redmi Note 4A, launched last year at Rs 5K. Coupled with 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. But surprisingly, the performance is smooth. There was no visible sluggishness or slowdown, and even switching between running apps was instant. It has Android Nougat out of the box, with no guarantee of getting the latest update. The dual front camera has 12 and 8 megapixel and a 13 megapixel rear camera. The rear camera is also not up to the standard. It captures blurry pictures until your hand is perfectly still. Low light performance is even more upsetting. But that's the case with most phones at these price point. The good thing is that it has a built-in fingerprint sensor as a primary security feature, which works just fine. The Indian market is extremely competitive. For Rs 1000 more, you can get the Realme Y1, which offers a 16 inches 18:9 display, better rear camera, similar hardware and the latest Android Oreo.